Need to know how to clean your dryer vent? In this video we're tackling an important task that often goes overlooked. Cleaning your dryer vent. Regular cleaning of the dryer vent not only enhances the efficiency of your dryer but also significantly reduces the risk of fire. Let's get started with the steps. Over time, lint builds up in your dryer vent, which can block airflow and lead to overheating. This not only strains your dryer but can also become a serious fire hazard. Cleaning your vent ensures your dryer operates safely and efficiently. You'll need a few basic tools to clean your dryer vent effectively. A vent cleaning brush kit, a screwdriver, a vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment, and gloves to protect your hands. Safety first. Make sure to unplug your dryer from its power source. Pull the dryer away from the wall to access the vent. Depending on your setup, you might need to use a screwdriver to disconnect the vent duct from the dryer. Use the vent cleaning brush from your kit to carefully insert into the duct. Move the brush back and forth to loosen the lint inside. Be gentle to avoid damaging the duct. After loosening the lint with the brush, use your vacuum cleaner with the hose attachment to suck out the lint from both the vent duct and the area behind the dryer. Ensure you reach as far into the vent as you can. Once everything is clean, reattach the vent duct to your dryer using the screwdriver if needed. Push your dryer back to its original position and plug it back in. Run the dryer on a short cycle without heat to ensure everything is reconnected properly. Don't forget the outside vent. Go outside and remove the vent cover. Use your brush and vacuum to clean the exterior part of the vent. Replace the vent cover once done. There you have it. Your dryer vent is now clean, which should improve your dryer's performance and safety. We recommend doing this at least once a year or more often if you use your dryer frequently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.